So for these patients, like autoimmune type of diabetes, kailangan talaga nila ng insulin. Their diabetes cannot be managed with oral medication. Type 2, usually associated with lifestyle problems, metabolic syndrome. They are usually obese, overweight, hypertensive. Ito ay nangyayari because mataas ang insulin resistance.
Nauuwi ito sa matinding komplikasyon kapag hindi naagapan, gaya ng stroke, heart disease, kidney failure, pagkabulag.
Yeah, ikut silang padaplin.
So mas mataba. So mas maraming fats.
Mas maraming fats.
So it's not just about carbohydrates.
Basically, when you're eating a lot of carbohydrates, that can lead to obesity, to being overweight. So kung kumakain tayo ng mas madami, tataas yung blood sugar natin, magko-compensate yung pancreas, tataas ang insulin, and the insulin will drive the glucose into the cell. Insulin is a metabolic hormone.
Sa luwa, muling isa. Ikat-kat.
Qualified. Sobrang carbohydrates.
Kasi kailangan mo rin naman ng carbs. So,
Wala na.
pasyente,
Lakaw na.
discourage them.
Kuyawan ninyo sa mag-away pa mo dira, nihigda mo sa ako ang higdaanan. Awa dira. Ayo mo adto dito. Twinkie. Unsa may imong gibuhat, Twinkie, ha?
Pwede na natin ahunin yung ating
Oy, Twinkie.
mainit na bibingka.
Kuhit sa.
Okay, check na natin yung bibingka natin. Yan. Okay na.
Sige, sa magdula mo day. Na siya. Nay R80, di mo pun kaon.
Bibigyan ko siya ng flavor.